Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon Onyango, and in this channel I make videos about making money online. I make about tips on how to make money online, and then generally about content creation, maybe blogging, YouTubing or something of the sort. So in this video I want to share with you how to make money with an interesting program called FORSAGE. Now FORSAGE, it's a very interesting program. Let me show you. Now if you are familiar to this channel, you will realize that we've talked more about hypes, which is a way of making money online, but very risky, highly risky. The risk is up to 90% or 99%. Now, hypes are those sites that promise you a lot of money, but they don't give you what they promise. They will pay the first few people, then use the new money that they gain from new recruiters or new recruitments to pay old people. And then we've also talked, or you will know about MLM, multi-level marketing, where you have to bring people to earn. And then now we have crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is where you need money, you get it. Like you pay for someone, then some people will pay for you. Will pay you. Like you give someone money, then some people will come and give you. It's something of the sort. Now for such, I call it crowdfunding or rewarding MLM, where you don't have a service or product, but you're just rewarded for that, or gifting program. This is not a video review, it's not a review of Surge or something. I just want to share my views and tell you about it. It's interesting, by the way. I don't always join crowdfunding platforms, but I joined FORSAGE. Now, why did I join FORSAGE, or why should you join FORSAGE? Number one, FORSAGE is decentralized. It means there is no one controlling this thing. It's like cryptocurrencies. If you know about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum. By the way, they pay with Ethereum. So it's decentralized. They use Ethereum blockchain. Meaning, decentralized, meaning there is no one holding our funds, or our funds are not held somewhere it's specific or location or so on. It's distributed amongst ourselves. It's decentral. No one is controlling this thing generally. Then they use a smart contract. They use smart contract, which is a very nice feature for Ethereum blockchain. Smart contract to seal the deals, you see. It enables people to send money direct from my wallet to the next wallet via this thing without them touching that fund. Even the creators of this thing are earning like us. They created it, then bought themselves all the packages, the 12 packages on each level, that is 24 slots, and that's how they earn. No, not deducting from what we pay. Now let's get into it and see what I mean. Now you see, in FORSAGE we have, this is my back office, and we have 12 slots on level 3, that is FORSAGE times 3, and then we have another 12 slots on FORSAGE times 4. So in general we have 24. Now in level 3, FORSAGE level 3, this is where you will be earning from the people you refer. You see, each slot gives you 3 other slots, small slots. You see them down here. Now this first slot, you pay 0.025 Ethereum, that is like that is 0.025 that is like $6 for that slot. Now if you pay $6 for this slot, you can bring 3 people. It can hold up to 3, meaning that you can have someone here, someone here. Each slot gives you the same amount you paid. So you refer someone, it comes, they fill this form, this circle. This one will go directly to your wallet. Not on FORSAGE, your wallet where you control the private key and all that. No one can touch it. That is the difference from this. It doesn't go to your FORSAGE account. It goes to your wallet, the one you chose, maybe MetaMask or any other wallet that you will use. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see if someone registers here today. I'll receive 0.25 ETH. Another one registers, it occupies this space, then that one will go to 0.5 ETH, and then this last slot will reopen my slot. It won't go to my wallet, it will go to my, remember when I bought this slot, it went to my upline. So this money went to my upline. That's how we earn. Now this last slot will reopen my slot. By reopening my slot, it's like I'm opening it afresh. So it goes to my upline. Now this will keep happening over and over and over and over again. Once I fill this slot, it will keep on reoccurring, happening over and over again. I get this guy, this first guy will reinvest. It will automatically reinvest, and then I'll receive that one. The second guy will reinvest, I receive that one. The third one will reinvest, and each time they reinvest, you realize you earn. Each time they reinvest, you earn. They reinvest, you earn. So it's something that will happen, keep happening. It's now in a circular mode. They don't have to put more money, but it will be making money if you realize it. It sounds pretty complex at the beginning, but you will realize it. Will be breaking it down as time goes. So the next level times 4. These are not people you bring individually. These are people that comes from your team, either from top or bottom. Another thing I like about FORSAGE is it's really low investment. Like you can start with $20, you can start with $14, you can start with $15. All you need to do is activate. This one is $6. You can activate six. That is $12, and you are started. But I recommend you activate up to this, up to the third one, or fourth one. You can activate all of them at once. That means you will have high chances of earning, because people from bottom will also be spilling over to you. For instance, you see, I've only activated 3. So if I invite you today, you come and join, then you activate up to 8. It means from 4, now from 4 to 6, I will not be earning that, or 6 to 8. If say you buy up to this, up to the 8th one, then because I don't have that, it means I'll not earn from it. My upline, if they have that slot activated, they will earn it. If my upline doesn't have that one, then my upline will earn it, or it will go downward. So it's really interesting. You can see I have no referral yet, but I have. Let's see my account. So I'm about to show you my account, and you will see. I have 0 referrals, but I have earned $6. That $6 came from bottom and up. So here is my back office. You can see I have zero referrals, and I have $6. This $6 is in my wallet, not here. It's just a number there, but it was sent directly to my wallet. So you can see these ones are not my people. You can see the first 3 where I'm supposed to refer people, I have not earned anything yet, but I've earned something from here. So you can see from these 3 circles here, those are from up, and then this one here is from partner invited by me. No, that's bottom overflow. Yeah, so it means someone activated something they don't have, and it came to mine. So you can see it's a really simple thing. There is all the information you want here. You can learn from it here. You can see it's a closed system with reference, meaning if your referral is given to someone temporarily, then it means they will come back to you at some time when you activate the slot. Now it's an open thing. You can use it. You can check anyone's earning. I'll check some people maybe randomly or my upline. So that's interesting. You can find all the information under the information here. You can find all the information you need. Let me close that one. Now, what you need to know about FORSAGE that people won't tell you is you need to work. It's not that you will just, I don't know why my camera has decided to disappoint me. So that is about FORSAGE. What I wanted to tell you is that you need to know that it's a business. It's something you have to work. It won't just come there without work. You have to work. As much as you will get overflow from top or bottom, you have to work. You need to bring your people also. You don't just earn for doing nothing. So it's really cheap to get in. That means it's very easy to get referrals. It's very easy to get referrals for that, since it's something you can start with very little money, $15 or 10, and then you can keep on earning. So let's see how they pay. Now they pay with Ethereum, as I said. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, meaning we will need a wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet, Ethereum wallet to be specific, either MetaMask or Trust Fund wallet. And then after that, you will need to go to they will be sending money directly to your wallet, so you don't need to do anything extra. They will be sending money directly to your wallet. So that is something interesting. Once you register with that wallet, it's now in the smart contract and it will be sending money. Why should you join FORSAGE right now? Now you should join FORSAGE right now because number one, the price of Ethereum is now low. You join with Ethereum, you see you send 0.5, 0.6. The price of Ethereum has been going up and down, but due to COVID-19, it has gone low. So once it has gone low, the way it has gone low, it means it's now cheaper to get 0.025 or 0.1 ETH. So you need to get that right now and purchase your slots than waiting. If you wait up to maybe later this year when price has started going up again, then it means you will have to pay more. You will have to pay more to get 0.5 ETH. It will be like $9 or $20. It will depend with the price of Ethereum at that time. So for right now, it's very important to register right now and start. And then there are no people. You can see it's growing. It's something that is really growing. You can see like 7,000 people have joined today in the last 24 hours. That's a lot of people. It's growing really fast. And the earlier you join, the better. The earlier you fix yourself in the matrix, up in the matrix, that is the better, rather than joining late. So this is something I really want you to do. Let's check some other IDs. I'll start by checking on you can check anyone's account, by the way. You can check anyone's account. If they tell you, I don't know, I have earned this one and they have not, you can always come and check. So let me check my upline's earnings, 8892, and you can see he has 7 people. I'm one of them, and he already has earned $1,636. That in Kenyan shillings is like 100,000. Maybe I can check 500 and then view. You should see my network is currently a bit low. You can see number 500 has 4 people and they have earned 1,426. It's view only. Anyway, yeah. They have earned $24 from one person, and you see, by the way, this is a very good example. You can see this guy, he only activated 2 slots. The first slot on the first one and the second slot on the second one. And this, He only has one person, and he has earned $24. This $24, you can see from FORSAGE times 4, he has earned like 18. That's a lot of money, $18. And then for referring one person, you can see. So you can see he has a warning here, meaning if he doesn't upgrade to the next level, then he will be missing that. It will be going to his downline. So you can see on this slot he has these are the things that. So guys, my camera failed me once again. If you want to donate me a camera, please do so. you can donate me a camera so that I don't have to use the webcam. So guys, this is an interesting thing. I'll be making videos about it, and just to make it more easier as I understand it better, I'll be making videos. So I want to advise you to join. I'll advise you to join and put as much money as you can. It's currently, I would say it's 90% safe, though the moment you put money online is a risk, but 90% safe on this one. I want you to join as soon as you can, and join, then tell me your ID, or if you are having any technical difficulties joining, just contact me. If you want more explanation, I'll put PDF or such thing. I'll put link to my group. My WhatsApp number will be down below. Now, why should you join with my link? Now, we have a team. If you know 24/7 Digital Cash for You, it's a channel and a blog site owner. Then I'm partnering with 24 Digital Cash for You is my upline, and Vitaly yeah, we are partnering with Vitaly also. We are trying to build up a team. So it means if you are in the right team, you will be receiving spillovers and from top and from bottom. So it's a team we are building. You need to be joining a team rather than just joining anywhere with someone who won't help you and all that. So please consider joining a team, our team. I'm requesting you to join our team because we'll benefit and you will also benefit. So if you want more presentation or more questions about this thing, just ask me and I'll respond. So I don't want this video to be long. I won't edit this video. If I edit, I won't edit much. I want to upload it in the next few hours. So I'm running out of time. So let's meet on the other side when you join. And consider subscribing on my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So bye for now, and see you in the next video.